The Professor G.W.J. Bruins Prize is intended for research master students who excel in terms of academic performance and research qualities. We proudly present the winner. Maeve van den Aakster is an excellent student in the Infection and Immunity Research Master Program. The focus of her research is infectious diseases and the transfer of these viruses between animals and humans. More specifically, the avian influenza virus, also known as bird flu. Her One Health approach enables a better prediction of possible outbreaks and thereby helps to prevent an epidemic or to organize timely interventions. The jury is impressed by van den Aakster's outstanding academic results and the various research internships she has done. She already has a publication in the pipeline. Van den Aakster will be using the prize money to travel to Hong Kong, where she will be working in clinical rotation for some time.